other. Yeah, when you're famous it can be kind of fun. It's really you, but no one ever discovers. In some ways you're just like all your friends, but on stage you're a star. You get the best of both worlds. Chill it out, take it slow, then you rock out the show. You get the best of both worlds. Mix it all together and you know that it's the best of both worlds.
Breaking news! Earthquake is occurring. Get under the door and click under the desk. Click broadcast on all the channels right now.
Sweet niblets!
There's an earthquake happening and I don't really know. Take cover!
Hello there, welcome to the 7 o'clock news. I'm Paris Graham. Here's my host, Natalie Katz.
As you all know, we had a devastating earthquake in Kalamazoo with a 7 magnitude. Earthquakes happen from sudden movements in the upper layer of the earth and faulting. Animals' behavior started changing in Kalamazoo, so that's how we predicted this earthquake. For future references, if an earthquake is occurring, get under the door frames or under the desk for protection from falling walls and roofs.
Wow, that was a devastating earthquake today. Killed lots of people and lots of people lost their homes, and we just don't know what's going to happen from there. And here we go outside now with Lindsay Player interviewing a victim of this recent earthquake.
Hello, my name is Lindsay Player, and I am here with Miss Ima Reck. She was in the middle of this earthquake not very long ago, about 3 hours ago. Now, Miss Ima, how do you feel?
I have no shoes, no clothes, my house is torn down. We went back and tried to look for stuff that we could have. My suit was gone. My suit that was on the stove.
No!
It's gone.
No!
Everything's gone. I have nothing anymore. Where am I supposed to live? What am I supposed to eat? What if I die of starvation? We need your help. We need your help. It's devastating. Oh my God, what if something happens to me? Because I have no house.
But just be glad that you're alive. You survived the earthquake.
It's just so devastating, man.
And that's the story. Now back to the studio.
For those of you that don't know much about earthquakes, they can produce P waves, S waves, and L waves. Earthquakes on the ocean floor can cause tsunamis that can be great damage to our coast in our United States.
There's 3 kind of waves that occur in earthquakes, and the P waves, which are primary waves, and then there's the S waves, which are secondary waves, and then there are the L waves, which are surface waves.
The epicenter of the earthquake is where the most damage shaking occurs, and that's near our studio, so our studio has a lot of damage.
The L waves caused most of our damage in this earthquake, and it kind of damaged a lot of our studio.
In the arms of the angel, fly away.
It just